Hey guys, today we're gonna be fishing. Hopefully we get some rainbow trout. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna go over here more then. We're heading back now because it's a bit too cold, but we will head out a bit later. We just gotta warm up for a bit and let the sun get up. So we're heading back out now. Bit warmer, we've warmed up, and hopefully we catch a pretty decent one now. We're gonna head down to the lake because it's starting to get dark, and there will probably be fish there if we're lucky, but we'll see how that goes. We were fishing, we heard some rocks falling down. There's a few deer up there.
I have my knife out.
Just vibing, just hanging out. Anyways, back to fishing. We got our first fish of the day. Spencer right here got it. Oh, he's such a tiny little guy.
I caught a fish.
Just bring him over. Back up, back up, back up, back up.
Yeah! I caught a fish.
There. Look at that.
And the worm stayed.
Hold this. I have a sliver in my thumb right now, so it's gonna be a bit difficult.
What kind of fish is that? Little fry?
This is just a little sucker. They have a certain name, but I can't remember.
I feel bad for him.
Here, you wanna hold him?
Yeah.
I can take a photo. Just hold him. Hold him. Okay, I got your phone. Okay, so don't grip him all the way so then you can see him. Like open up your hand, go like open it up. Look up, smell. Tilt it forwards a bit more. There you go.
By the way.
No, we're not. No, they're not going to eat.
Yeah. Wait, take a video of me releasing him.
Ready? Here, do a nice little release.
Yeah, I know how to do it. Take a video. Bye-bye. I caught a fish. I caught a fish. Ooh.
First fish of the day. We'll probably get a bunch more here, so yeah, I'll start speeding up now. Just caught another one. Just got a fire going. This one's pretty chunky though.
Yeah? Is it edible, you think?
It's not, but do you want to try eating it?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay, yeah. My friend Spencer here really wanted to try cook and eat a fish, so we're just gonna try to cook him and see how it turns out.
By the way, I don't like fish, so.
Yeah. So he wanted me to try it, so we're gonna try it. I don't think it's gonna be good, but
do you want me to record your reaction?
Here we go.
Reaction? How is it?
Honestly,
Kind of got dropped.
it doesn't actually taste like anything. You want to try a little bit? Just like a bit?
Give me. For a fish hater, it's not actually that bad.
Doesn't really taste like anything.
It's like, it tastes like lake water.
Yeah. So, this is a pretty good day one. Not much fish, sadly, but nonetheless, it was fun to just hang out and just, yeah, be able to be by the river.
I caught 2 fish.
Caught 2 of them, both of them.
Yeah.
So, hopefully day 2 tomorrow goes a bit better fishing wise. So yeah, see you guys probably early tomorrow morning.
Good night.
Just the full
yeah.
pieces.
That's a good idea.
Oh my goodness, I think I got that on video. So overall, not a bad day one. Hopefully day two goes a bit better. But other than that, it's pretty good. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning. Today we're gonna be doing maybe a bit of grouse hunting and maybe also some fishing. So let's have some fun.
Yo, what a unit.
So my friend Jet here got a massive mountain whitefish on. That is wild. That is crazy. I switched to a dry fly here because they're all rising and they're all trying to get at it. Just waiting for one to actually fully eat it. One came up for it. Oh, he ate it. Oh, another one ate it. They're all trying to eat it. They just not getting it good. Going. Oh, I had one there. It's coming up for it. Got one. Got one. Oh, he popped off. This is. Oh, fish just ate it again. Got one. Got one.
Here, I'll grab it.
Bro, why are you in underwear, dude?
Because I'm going in.
Yeah, you gotta get that big fish back. He dropped his fish into the water.
Hey, bro, sorry.
Here's the fish that I got. Oh, he's gonna flop around, I guess. Good. Let's get this hook out of his mouth for him. You got one? Nice, just reel in, reel in. Okay. Here he is. Oh, here he is. Nice one. I think we're gonna keep him. Okay, we're back here. Fish are coming at it. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, but he's fully. Okay, let's try this again. Got a fish. Go. Yeah, I got another one. Well, this isn't a bad guy. Pretty decent. Okay. It's a good sized one. He's pretty beautiful. Though. Here, fish like right there maybe. Got one, got one. Oh, good one. Yeah, good one. Dang, dang. He's fighting hard. I don't know if he's actually big or...
Oh, it's a rainbow.
No, it's not.
Look at it.
It's a... Here he is. We got another one on. It's a good sized one. We'll keep this one as well. Okay, so we got that fourth fish in. Trying to get our fifth here. So, yeah. Going. Okay, yeah, we got our fifth here.
Go down there and grab it.
Can you spit? Should have brought your fly rod, Jet. You want to just bring them all the way up here? Okay. I got it. Thank you. Another decent sized one.
Where is it?
Oh, he popped off.
No!
Just had another one on, but he obviously just popped off. But don't worry, we'll get more here. Forgot to film it, but I just got another one. So it's going pretty well. It's so fun being able to watch them come and eat your bait. Bang. It's such good fishing right now. Oh, it's sad that you can't get one. Like, I feel bad for you. You wanna grab him and pull him up here? Just grip his side.
Such a slimy
Do you wanna release this guy? Here, one sec. Wait.
boy. You want to release him?
Yeah.
I say we keep him.
You wanna keep him?
Cook him.
Okay. Got one. Oh, good guy. Good one. Wait, is he? Wait, what? He looks so big. I don't know if he's big or not.
It's like a fat one. You're fat, you're chunky.
Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Get him, get him, get him, get him. You see him right there?
Yeah.
Right there. 3, 2, 1, grab him.
No, he got out.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Dang.
I had him too, and then he slid out.
That's all good. So we came back to this spot to see if the fish are still getting active and see if we can maybe get a few more before the sun starts going too far down. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so got my rod back up and going. Got a new fly on. Reel. Hey, you do. Let's go. Oh, big guy. Bring, walk back. No, stop. Put it down. You're gonna break the line. Put it down. Massive one.
I caught one. I'm pissed.
Okay. He's just mad because it's bigger than his.
I don't think it is. Yeah.
Yeah. Don't you want a picture of you holding him?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, one sec. Here, put the rod down. And stand up and hold him. I got a picture on my GoPro that I'll take. Okay, one sec. Starting to slow down a bit here. We can maybe get one more. Got one. There we go. Second I put the camera on. No! No, he didn't. He just came off, but oh, that's all good. So it looks like there's nothing really happening left in here. So we might head back and that'll be the end of day 2. Just came from fishing to go get some food, and there's a haunted house in this place, so.
Did you miss me? Because I missed you.
What is this? Oh, there's a dog down there. It's a little. It's pretty cool. Started walking back from the store and it started to rain.
I got a cool drink.
So,
Guys, I got a cool drink.
you got a cool drink.
I got a cool drink. It's called Calypso. Taste
Yeah.
of the Islands.
So if you ever
Ocean
see Calypso Ocean Blue, try it. It's definitely actually pretty good.
Yummy.
So, Yeah.
It tastes like blue Gatorade.
As you could see from the last video, we were trying to do some grouse hunting, but it did not work out. There was none that we could see, so came back down and we're gonna go see if we can catch any more fish again today. So it rained quite a bit last night, so the water rose up a lot and it's not quite as clear. So the dry fly might not work today, but we'll give it a shot and I'll change it out if I have to.